Alright guys, well it's like a fucking million degrees right now, but let's see, focus. Okay, now it won't focus on us. Oh well. The bed's all drilled out, ready to go, so now I gotta play car, Jenga, and move everything around real quick so we can load the bed onto the back of the truck and drop it off at Pedro. So let's go move the cars. It's time to make another sketchy trip. Hopefully we don't cut to this being on the back of a truck or on the freeway. So yeah, I'll come back to you as soon as I get to Fred's house and get his reaction to this basically. Whew, that shit was stressful. Oh. Fucking strap, bro. You ready? I'll grab this end. You two grab the end, and then someone needs to throw the fucking wood in.
You said you could carry this shit by yourself.
I didn't say that shit,
you
bitch.
Did say that. No, because the camera's on your line.
Not you, bro. Well, should we grab this side?
We're not gonna be able to.
It's fucking heavy.
Oh, go ahead and do your thing.
Well, help me pull it. Help me pull it, so I can go back there.
With the wood too?
Yeah, with the wood, like the wood will drag. Pull the wood. Right.
That side's not even on the wood. I know. Lift it up. God, you're fucking jumping through. I think Toss is just weak, maybe.
Are you ready? So,
pull the wood to the edge. Pull the wood to the edge. Once it's on the edge, right there.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick it up, and then someone needs to grab the wood and put it over there.
Look, you two fools grab from this side, and then
of course, this motherfucker elected himself. No,
oh, get that one.
Right, Fred, what's the plan?
First, gotta get the tunes on.
Well, after, so I don't get copyrighted.
Oh yeah. After, we're gonna start chopping this bed up, and
fucking my shit up.
Thinks we're about to fix it, but we're actually gonna make it worse. Paint unicorns and stuff on it.
You gonna do a little dick on the back or what?
What are you doing?
You gotta put it underneath that one.
Fucking Todd, why didn't you tell us the password?
That's what's fucking dumb.
What do you think, Tots? It's pretty hot still, so be careful, but it's pretty flush.
So then you just
pretty much. I'll put another tag just to hold it, because that one at the top is puny. Oh, the worst part, fool, is leg pit sweat. Whatever you call it.
Oh, dude, I get that shit. Your back, your knee? Bro. Your back knee?
Yeah, my back knee. Just throw a gang of magnets on this one. Damn, son.
Looking sick, huh?
That shit looks beast. Are you gonna put like those little splitter things there?
I want to eventually, but I probably won't do it right away. I'm kind of thinking of doing like eventually. How sick would it be to have a big ass exhaust tip that shoot flames?
Two big ass, like freaking one like this?
No, just a fucking big one, a huge one to shoot flames out of. Don't you think?
Crazy. That should be sick, dude. Let's do this. What do you think?
We'll put a couple more, but...
Does it look clean though, or what?
Well, at the bottom, I think you're gonna have to bend that shit.
A little bit, huh? Let me get one right
here. Yeah, right there, and then we'll bend it. How does the other side look? Because we didn't really look at the bottom.
The other side's good, fool. And that's the fucked up side, huh?
Yeah.
Nova move.
You about to cry now? Time to cry?
But I have to take it off because it's rusted under.
It is what it is.
Perfect bed. I brought you a perfect bed, Widow. I promise.
It looks perfect, fool.
I promise.
It looks perfect.
Sound like all my customers.
1 week later.
Alright guys, well, we're back working on the bed. Fred's welding up the hole that's all fucked up, and he's gonna teach me how to weld real quick apparently, so yeah, I'll probably just run to that doing time lapse. Also, the new rear diffusers all welded on. We scuffed all the paint up, so after this, undercoat it and paint the outside, and I gotta figure out how I'm gonna take this thing home. Fucking hell.
Keep going, fool. Go all the way to the end.
Give me a second, give me a second, Jesus Christ.
Are you getting excited or what?
Yeah, I was like, I'm fucking finally doing it.
Hey, more than anything, Will, listen to what you're doing.
Yeah. And make sure you're holding it long enough to fill the gap, fool. Get closer. Get the
thing closer?
Yeah, you see how the wire's sticking out all along? You gotta get closer.
It's kind of harder right here, huh?
Yeah, because the gap's big.
Just gave me the phone call saying the bed's already been painted, so I should have work and go change my clothes and shower and stuff. Wait for Rafa. As soon as Rafa gets here, head out, go throw the bed on the back of this thing, and make that really stressful drive back.
All right, Rafa.
Alright guys, well, we just picked up the bed. It's rush hour, so hopefully there's not any crazy traffic and we make it home in one piece with no straps breaking. But yeah, huge shout out to Wedo and all the boys and Alfredo and Juice and everyone that came over, and Beto and everyone that came over to help me put that shit on right now, and let's fucking hope we make it home. Alright guys, so we made it back home. Truck's on one piece. Super stoked. Shout out to Wedo and everyone who helped me out to get this thing back. And yeah, I'm gonna probably spend the next like 30 minutes struggling with Rafa to pull it off. And yeah, hopefully in the next couple weeks I'll get the new door handles put on and welded in and all done right. And then I think that's it. I don't think I'm really waiting on anything. I still gotta buy the fucking gauges, but apart from that, truck's almost ready to come apart, and hopefully we make it to Dino's get down.